This is a week like nothing I've ever seen here or anywhere. I can imagine it's akin to the '89 earthquake. So far, since the fires have started, 64,000 from the west of Highway 17, not including the city of Santa Cruz, have been forced to evacuate. So that's a big deal. If you need resources, there are a lot of county-wide resources available for you. If you are looking to help, there are ways to support. You can make sandwiches, you can donate time, money, energy. If that's something that you're interested in understanding what's available, please give me a call. I'm happy to connect you, whether you need resources or you have them to share. Being someone who does this for a living to help people buy and sell homes, it's near and dear to me that this many people have had to leave. My wife and I have also had to leave our homes, not knowing if it'll be there or in what state it'll be there when we return. There are a lot of us who have already know that they've lost their homes. So it brings up the community and the importance of community for this, because this is us who are in this together. So call your family, your friends, let them know if you don't see them what's going on with you, ask them what's going on with them. You won't regret that. It's been very powerful to connect with everyone here because we are in this together. We need each other to get through. This is how we're going to get through, is to get through together, to heal and support and rebuild and love together. The fire update right now. The fire line is being drawn on Highway 9. I've been told by a couple different resources that if that line is broken, that the next line will be at Highway 17. So that line on Highway 9 is super important because there are many communities, San Lorenzo Valley, Mount Herman, and Scotts Valley, and other communities in between those places. So we definitely want to save all those homes, as many of those homes as possible. So that's a big deal. I'm praying for fog, for rain, for the health and wellness of firefighters. This is quite a process, and we're here together. In the future, we'll talk about what this means for the future of home ownership here, for insurance, for rebuilding, for selling, for buying. But for right now, it's just the process at hand. At the very least, stay connected, stay involved. At the very most, do what you can to support each other. Thank you for staying with me through this process. Thank you for supporting me and my family and our town. If I can be of any use, call. I'm here. I'm happy to help. Jonathan Rossi with Portola Group and Keller Williams. My phone number is 831-265-2211. Thank you.